Today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Who am I? I am DP Roberts, and for years I've been testing hundreds of strategies and indicators, and I'm testing more every single day. I've compiled all that information into spreadsheets and used it to create a profitable trading strategy with a custom indicator. And we have an amazing community over on Discord where we help you become a profitable trader. If you are interested in getting access to the spreadsheets of all the indicators and strategies that we have tested, as well as a free trial to our custom indicator, you can just sign up for our Patreon down below. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. Before we do though, I wanted to put the testing scoreboard up for everyone to see. So to date, we have tested a total of 372 different strategies, with 119 of them being winners. The best one so far was able to achieve an 87% win rate. That was achieved using the Academy of Forex indicator. And so far, since we've been keeping track, it has outperformed 268 of the other strategies that we have put it up against, every single one so far. We've also tested a total of 1,041 indicators, with 433 of them being winners. Alright, as I said, today we will be testing a crypto scalping strategy. And so the source video says, new indicator metric, could this be the future of trading? And so quite an interesting title and claim, and of course we're going to put that to the test and see what we can get out of this strategy. So go ahead and hide the two indicators we have on screen now. The first indicator we will add to the screen is going to be the Ichimoku cloud. It's just going to be the standard built-in trading view Ichimoku. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. Jump into the settings, and under the inputs, the conversion line, you're going to change that to 27. The baseline, you're going to change that to 108. Jump into the styles, and you're going to turn off everything in here except for the conversion line and the baseline. You can leave the labels and values if you want. It doesn't really matter. So once you do that, go ahead and click OK. The next indicator you will add to the screen is going to be the bias and sentiment strength indicator, this one right here. Go ahead and click on that and add it to the screen. And again, we're going to jump into the settings, and under the inputs, you're going to change the MACD scaling to 2000, the RSI scaling to 1000, the slow stochastic scaling to 1000, the awesome oscillator scaling to 5,000, the alligator scaling to 5,000. Go ahead and click OK. And so what we're looking for a long trade is we are looking for when the two lines here switch or cross each other. It's the baseline and the conversion line. And so you can see here that the blue line switches or crosses up above the kind of maroon reddish looking line right here. And when that takes place, across to the upside, what we are looking for is price to be trading above both of those two lines. And then we're going to look down to the bias sentiment, and we want it to be completely blue like it is here. And so once those line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a long. Put your trade right there, put your stop right at the lower line right here, and target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward, just like before. Let's play this forward and see how it plays out. And we make a really nice push to the upside, getting us to our take profit. And for a short trade, what you're looking for, so you're looking for the cross of the two lines. Once again, you can see that the blue line crosses down below the dark purple maroonish colored line right here. And then we're going to look down to the bias and sentiment, and we want it to be completely red like it is here. And so once those line up, that'll be your signal to then enter into a short. You're going to put your trade right there, put your stop at the upper line, and we're going to target a 1 to 1.5 risk reward. Once again, let's play this one forward and see how it plays out. Alright, this one takes just a little bit longer, but we do make that nice push to the downside, getting us to our take profit. Alright, so that puts us at the end of the testing right there. Before we take a look at what this was able to achieve, if you are interested in a profitable trading strategy, I highly recommend that you check out the best strategy that we have tested so far. It's been able to achieve in the high 80% win rate, and coupled with the position management strategy that I'm teaching all the patrons, skyrockets the win rate to the high 90%, consistently around 99% over hundreds of trades. You can click the link up in the corner now. It'll take you to that video on the strategy. I'll also put a thumbnail of that video up on screen now, and I will link to that same video at the end of this video. Alright, let's go ahead and go over the numbers on the strategy. So we did the 50 trade test like we normally do, and out of those 50 trades, we got 20 winning trades and 30 losing trades. This is going to put it at a 40% win rate. With the 1 to 1.5 risk reward, if you're looking to gain $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $12,000 altogether. On the losing side, you would have been risking $400 per losing trade. Your total drawdown would have been $12,000 altogether. So pretty much break even on the strategy, not including any commissions, spreads, or anything along those lines. And so most likely you'd have been down a decent little amount there after it was all said and done. And so not the future of trading as far as I can see. Compare that to the Academy of Forex indicator. During the same period of time, did 44 trades altogether, did 35 winning trades and 9 losing trades. It's going to put it at a 78% win rate. If you're looking to gain the same $600 per winning trade, your total gain would have been $21,000. On the losing side, you would have lost $10,800 for an overall gain of $10,200. So significantly better results. And with the position management strategy that we teach all of our patrons, would have skyrocketed that win rate up into the high 90%. Which means that the total gain would have been closer to the $21,000. So definitely better results. If you are interested in the Academy of Forex Indicator, you can get a free trial when you sign up for a Patreon down below. Once the free trial is over, it's only $15 a month to maintain access to the indicator. You do have to maintain your Patreon status, but still super cheap for a profitable, efficient trading system. And as a patron of the channel, you will receive not only the free trial and discount to the Academy of Forex Indicator, but you'll receive a video that will walk you through a position management strategy that will all but guarantee your success using the Academy of Forex Indicator, putting the win rate in the high 90%. And you'll also receive a video walking you through how to get an account with a crypto broker that'll give you up to 100 times leverage and has 0 ID requirements or proof of citizenship. And I'll show you how to get access to that broker from almost anywhere within the world, giving you the ability to start profitably trading with the Academy of Forex Indicator within an hour. And just to show the versatility of the Academy of Forex Indicator, I've developed a second crypto scalping strategy that you can use. Combined with the position management strategy that I mentioned just a moment ago, it has achieved a 100% win rate in backtesting over 200 trades and counting. If you are interested in viewing that strategy, you can click the link up in the corner now. It'll look like a little circle with an eye in it. You can just click on that and it'll take you down to 2 thumbnails, and you'll click the thumbnail that you see on screen now, which is the thumbnail to that video. Alright, and an update on the live trading account. So we just closed yesterday the 19th winning trade in a row. Again, still maintaining that 100% win rate using this crypto scalping strategy I just mentioned a moment ago, as well as the position management strategy. And so for the month, well, we've closed out our first month at a little over 20%. I think now we're closer to the 27% area now altogether on the growth of the account. I'll put a screenshot up of the trade that we closed out yesterday, so that way you can take a look at that, and some really great results all around. All right, that's it for this strategy here. We're going to go ahead and put this one on the no list and move on to the next video from here.